Hello and welcome to the SaturdayMP Show, episode number 68, being recorded mostly live September 24th, 2025. This is a show where we usually talk about shipping secure, high quality software faster, but today we're actually going to try and transfer my existing website for Saturday Morning Productions from Ruby. Well, it's just here, and this is actually just a Rails app, but it doesn't have a lot, basically nothing's dynamic. And I want to transfer it to use GitHub Pages because we set up the weekly dev chat as a GitHub page, or well, actually, Norm did here. He did this quite a while ago, and it's worked out really well. And it's been really impressive. And there's nothing dynamic on this page since I don't sell Migrate or anything anymore. And I got to pay for a bit of hosting for this, so it'd be nice to just transfer it to GitHub Pages. And using Jekyll or something, Markdown should be nice and easy to maintain and stuff. And I'm just hoping I can just transfer, hopefully, these just kind of HTML pages. I don't know if that'll work or not, but anyway, yeah, we're going to do that. So I guess if you're a subscriber, I always like to think that people it's a new subscription, I got or a new video, I'll watch it right away. But I know I haven't posted in a while. Summer got in the way, and then client work, and and just fell out of the habit, I think, was the biggest thing. So I'm trying to get back into the habit now here and get in my regular weekly posting of these, and hopefully we can maintain that good habit. So because I really enjoy these. They're a lot of fun to record, even though they're a bit of extra work, but they're a lot of fun. So anyway, if you, I guess before I get started, if you have something else you want me to talk about, you have a question in the future or a different problem you want me to go over, because right now I usually just go over problems I find interesting, let me know by leaving comments below, or you can send me comments, I guess, or you can send an email to, I don't remember what my email address is anymore that I use for this. Shoot. Okay, I don't remember what the email address is. Oh, maybe I'll look it up, throw it in the comments or in the show description below. I forget. Or just leave something in the comments or anything like that. Okay. But anyway, it's enough of me rambling. Like I said, I hope you all had a good summer. It's October here in Edmonton. It's starting to get a little chilly, so... but let's get this show started. So, what the heck was I doing here? All right. So I got the documentation here for GitHub. Let's make that a little bigger. There we go. I got the documentation here for GitHub Pages, so we can follow along here. The first thing is just creating a repository. So this, I think I got to create a repository, and then once I have that, so my plan is just to create the repository, get it to my local machine here, excuse me, and then just create a default dummy Jekyll site and see what happens. Basically, it should just have a default site, and then try and import my own pages there. So, so let's see how all this goes, because I don't think the weekly dev chat uses Jekyll. I think it was set up with MK docs or something like that. So we're just going to use the default Jekyll one, and we'll see how that goes. And I don't know, maybe we won't use it. Maybe we'll switch to MK docs or something. So, okay. So I'm just going to move this page just out of the way. I got to move some other stuff out of the way there. Okay. There we go. So it's, all right. So in this case, I think it says I need to do this. I think this is what we set up the weekly dev chat one as too. This Saturday Morning Productions website. Sure. Can I don't think it has to be public. Let me right. I don't know. We could try it private at first, I guess, and then see. We don't need a template. Yeah, we don't need that. Do we want to read me? Sure. I guess so. I get ignore. Is there a Jekyll one? Oh, there is. Okay, let's put that in there. And then I guess MIT. This is okay. So here's the mostly live part. For those that haven't watched these videos before, I try not to edit them too much. Like sometimes I need to edit something if I show something I shouldn't have, or they just get like I get really, really stuck and really boring. But with the do I do the Copilot thing? Tell Copilot what you want to build in this repository. Oh man, do I try it? Okay, let's try it because I guess a little bit of spoilers. Like I got a Claude Code subscription recently that I've been playing around with, and I do have the paid GitHub subscription too. I would like to build. Let's see. Please create an empty GitHub Pages project. It should. The bare minimum to, I don't know how to spell minimum. Let's see. To I don't know. Do I just put create a empty GitHub Pages project? It should use Jekyll. I don't know how to spell Jekyll either, apparently. And just be the bare minimum to get the to get started. Don't add any content or custom page. Okay. Well, let's. Okay, now I don't. Okay, wow, this is really going off the rails fast. Okay, so let's just see what happens. Wait, I thought I. Oh, okay. So it did. I got a little confused there for a second. So what if I go here? Oh, thanks for asking me to work on this. All right. What's your initial plan? I don't know. Okay, I don't know what that is, but. Oh, view session. Okay, there. Oh, interesting. Okay. It's got a playwright? Huh. I don't know how this premium. I wonder what model the GitHub Copilot uses, like in this environment. Like when I use it in Visual Studio, or Visual Studio Code or something, I can pick the one I want, but. Oops. Okay. There should be nothing in the repository. Yeah, great. Right, okay. Wow, it's really trying to find files. Oh, it put the whole. Oh, look at that! It put my whole thing as the title. So, okay, so it created a pull request is what it did. This is really funny. Oh, okay. Install Jekyll and bundle gem dependencies. Okay. Let code set things up for you. Coding engines work faster and higher quality work when set up for your repo. What does this mean? Oh, set up the instructions file. Yeah, okay. I guess I'll have to do that after. Oh, I'd always like you think I'm sure this isn't the first time it couldn't install the gems globally, and it just always forgets. Oh, cool. Oh, that looks better. Okay. So I wonder, like, it does all this. I wonder, like, would it have just been just as fast for me to? Well, all this is just saying the GitHub repo, but um, right, and then I would have installed Jekyll. Configuring a publishing source for your GitHub pages. Oh, maybe I should read about that. Oh, right. This is I can pick main and then a folder. Or I could do GitHub Actions workflow. Okay, I don't know how any of that works, but all right. So this could be a problem too, because I find these coding agents are really useful when I know, like I have a good understanding about what it should do. So I can find out when it does something wrong. But in this case, I don't really know. So, okay. Layouts directory. Well, that sounds promising. Yeah. So this maybe I can update with the SaturdayMP. All right. That's just HTML. Like I could probably easily format that or again, get the agent. That sounds like something the agent can do. See, it did the same thing. It's like it doesn't learn. Sometimes these agents kind of remind me of like kids. They keep doing the same thing over and over again. If anyone has kids, it's or someone just a bad. I guess sometimes I do things over and over because I got a bad habit or I forget to. But okay. Use retry middleware, sure. Okay. Right. So we got an index. That's great. I didn't even put a robots in there. A sitemap. I don't know if that's useful or not. And it always says perfect, or you're absolutely right. Like, I don't know. Why is that perfect? I kind of wish. Tell me why. So it's going to run the Jekyll server. Okay. Can it? So this must be spinning up like a virtual machine or like what did it? This GitHub agent must be running on a virtual machine or something. Does it say? It's verbose logs. Oh, yeah. Okay. It's an action. So this is a GitHub action. What's it running? Sorry, if someone was watching what was going on here. Insert 0 images URLs from chat history. Okay, so bundle installed. Stir replace editor. I don't know why it's trying to insert image URLs. That's really weird. It's always using the stir replace editor. Okay, so it's served the site. Is it actually trying to read? Oh, okay. It did take a. Okay, that's why it's using Playwright. It's taking a screenshot. Oh, cool. Okay, so now it's got one image. Oh, wow. So it took a screenshot. That's interesting. So if I go back to my not verbose logs, do I see the screenshot it took? Oh, maybe if I go back to the actions, I can see it as a file. Oh, that'd be kind of cool. Running Copilot results. What is this? Results.zip. Okay, let me take a look. That might be. Sorry, I just don't want everything in my downloads folder to show up. So let me, what do I need to do? I want to extract that. Sure, it's openers. So this is one of the files I got blocked MD. Oh, huh. So I don't know what the heck that means. Okay, you can go away for now, I guess. That's kind of a shame. It put the said it was blocked. Why was it blocked? I don't know. Let's take a look, I guess. Let's try one more time, I guess. No, it's blocked again for some reason. Okay, so it took a screenshot, but it was blocked for some reason. So don't know why that. Do we ask? GitHub Actions blocked.md. Oh, maybe it's a remission thing. Okay, well, that's figured out later. Whatever. Okay. Cool. So it created this pull request. So let's go back to the pull request here. So I can review my own pull request. Okay, let's see. Files changed. Oh, it did 2 commits too. So it added a basic HTML page. I'm assuming this is a config. Yeah, I'll have to look some of this up. So yeah, don't do that. So gemfile.log. I thought I was supposed to exclude that. I'll have to double check. And then my index. Because if I look here, I did. I open the. Yeah, like you should. Like you want the GitHub Pages gem, I think. GitHub Pages sites are probably available. No, but this. Well, the GitHub Pages gem remains supported for some workflows. GitHub Actions is now the recommended approach for deploying and automating GitHub Pages sites. So I kind of don't know what that means. Like, does that mean I shouldn't use? Right, so we have Git and Jekyll. You choose to publish your site from the docs folder. If you choose to publish your site from the GH Pages branch, create and check out the GH Pages branch. Use Jekyll new. All right, we'd have to have Jekyll installed, and then we'd have to run it. Okay. Well, I don't know. Let's just see. I guess let's just see what this did and what happens, and maybe we'll go back and undo it. Because what does our gem file look like? Oh, it did put GitHub Pages. Okay, cool. So I don't think, is there a way? Okay, let's see if I can get this running locally, because I could merge this right away. I think I'd have to go to my settings. Pages there. Oh, I will have to make it public before I can do the pages thing. Okay, let's just see if this runs locally. So I have this here. I don't know how to install Jekyll. Let's see. Install Jekyll. Oops, sorry, I'm on the wrong. Okay. So I need Ruby. I think I could. Do I put this in a Docker? It's probably what I should do. Just throw it in a Docker container. Like a Ruby 3.2 or whatever Docker container, and then I can just run it from there. Is that what I try? Okay, let's try that. That sounds like a nice, easy solution. Okay, so let's get this out of the way. I need to. So I have Docker. No, sorry, I'm thinking out loud here. I have Docker on my machine. I need to. Okay, let's pull this repository down. So, all right. Oh, sorry, everyone. So this is actually a newer computer too. I need to change my settings because I have a lot of troubles looking at the dark screen. So my apologies for people that hate the bright, the light, but bad-eyed me needs it. So, okay. So let's go and open or clone. Oh yeah, I did try to clone it to there. Let's just redo this clone. So, oh, I don't want it. I think I'm just going to put it, because I could install Jekyll inside my WSL, but I think I'm just going to put it as a Docker container. That's probably the easiest. So, where to clone to? Let's, oh yeah, I don't want it inside the repository. Let's go here. Let's put it on the G drive. I don't have any repos on this new machine yet. Select the folder, and then yeah, there we are. Clone the repo. Okay, so it should be okay, right? That's the branches. So, oh, it gave it a really weird name. Okay, so let's check that out. Okay, so we have that now. Now if we go to, let's open up everyone's favorite editor, Visual Studio Code here. We'll open a folder, which is the D. Let's open this. Yes, I trust the authors. The extension GitHub compile chat wants to sign. Oh, okay. I'm gonna have to, might have to pause it here. Oh, okay, good. It opened it up in a new window. There we go. Just logging in. Should be redirected in a few moments. Did it work? I think so. Let's see. Yeah, okay. Oh, view. How do I zoom in? Control. Control plus equal. There. That should be hopefully big enough. Again, I haven't, this is a new computer. I haven't recorded anything in a while. So, okay, so we have all our stuff here. Great. Have the default layout. Now, what I want to do is set up a Docker container. So, I guess we could just, so everything's committed. So let's ask this thing, please create. Run this GitHub. GitHub Pages Jekyll project locally. I'm assuming it's gonna pick like Ruby. Oh, let's see. So depending on my client work, depends how much I actually experiment with some of this stuff. Like some of it, like writing tests or like helping with smaller things, I'll do. But again, sometimes it just seems to take so long. It's like, you know, you don't. It's like I'm not going to waste all that time, or I'm not going to spend experimenting with it. Like if a client needs some work done. Okay, so created these files. That's great. Oh, there's a Jekyll image. Okay. I should look that up. Let me. Let me bring. All right. There. So if we, what is this one? Whatever. So Docker Hub Jekyll. Oh, apparently I keep putting an E in Jekyll. Okay. So this is a Jekyll, like, is this an official image? It says official. Okay, it's under Jekyll, so I'm assuming it's the real deal. Okay, let's do a little bit of reading. Minimal builder. Okay. Configuration. You can set some stuff. Okay. Move that out of the way again. All right. So it got us. Oh, yeah. What's the. It said it was 422. What are the tags? Is that the latest? 4.2.2. Yeah, it looks like it. Okay. Yeah, good. And it locked it. I guess it's probably good. I'm assuming this is a server to watch. That it'll accept any connections and live reload. We definitely want that. I guess this is a live reload port. So mapped. Okay, it's using a bridge network, which I don't know if that's good or not. So it's putting the bundles, sure. I don't know if I want this because we're running this on Windows. We probably want to put our bundle in a separate volume as well. What's it ignoring? Okay, that's good. I haven't set up a Docker file in a while, but previous ones I have set up, I often forget the .ignore. But most of them are just for development anyway. So I don't think this is. Is it the Z at the end? I don't know what that is. Okay, so it's mapping the root folder, and then it's vendor bundle. Okay, but I don't have any vendor bundles, so maybe that won't be an issue. Development. Okay, well, let's try it. Let's new terminal. Do I have? Let me double check that Docker's running. It is. Okay. So I should be able to do Docker compose up. Oh, let's just see what happens. All right, it's got to pull the image. Oh, it's like freaking out the thing. I wonder what that looks like on the video. Cursor just going back and forth like 100 miles an hour. Oh yeah, let's. I kind of wish too. Like, it doesn't need to tell me all the benefits. Like, I already know. That's why I asked. File watching. Oh, sure. Okay, well, sure. Let's keep it. It's using the old Docker syntax. The dash. Oh, got an error here. Bundler 2.7.2. Oh, can't install Bundler 2.7.2. What is my... Oh, it's trying to be fancy here. Okay, well, let's just do Docker. Man, how do I do this again? Docker compose, run. What do they call it? Jekyll, right? Oh, okay, we're in. So we did bundle install. The attribute version is obsolete. Oh, right. It put this in here. This is not needed anymore. Oh, it's really thinking hard there. Oh, yeah. Okay, so same error. Conflicting dependencies. Oh, what? Oops. Gems. Is that the right versions that I need? Let me see. So Jekyll says I need GCC and make. Oh, it should all be there. Well, it did say to get rid of the gemlock file. Maybe. Well, let's try that. Let's delete this. And then let's just, oops, and then do gem. Oh, insert bundle. And just let it recreate that gem file. Maybe that's the problem. Right. Okay. So yeah, maybe that newer bundler version's not supported on this Jekyll. When did they publish that Jekyll? It was published. .422 was almost 3 years. Oh, this is pretty out of date. Oh, maybe we shouldn't use this anymore. Oh, I didn't notice that. Oh, that's kind of a shame. Okay. There's people complaining about like, this is project dead, yeah. Oh, so, okay. Oh, okay, well, that's a bummer. Don't use this image. Okay, live and learn, I guess. Okay, well, that all installed, but I don't think I want this old Jekyll image. I think what I probably want is just a Ruby image. So let's get out of this. See, mostly live. What are we at? 40 minutes. Okay, let's get out of this. Let's switch this back to what do we got here? Let's see, Ruby Docker images. So I don't even know what Ruby's up to, like what version they're up to these days. 3.4? We probably, oh, I guess we could even try the Alpine one too, but I think we probably want the Slim. Maybe the default one, I guess. Yeah, probably just the normal one. Okay, and what are we up to? 3.4 looks like. 3.4.6. Okay. So let's go Ruby 3.4.6, sure. I think we want the same command, I'm assuming. don't know if we need this. To read what this does. I don't think we need this, so. Like, why do we have all these? Okay. So let's change my volume to be sure, let's just call it let's just call it app. I'll just call it app. Okay. I don't know if we need that. We should. Let's set up our Docker Ruby bundle volume. I forget where that goes. Just go to ask mode. Where does Ruby store the gems by default in a Docker image? I would like to put the gems in a volume so they are. Oh, do I want? Maybe I don't need to do that because if I put them in a volume, then I have to create like a startup file. I don't think it's going to change. We'll do that later. We don't care. Okay, app. I'm assuming this is still true. I don't think we need any of this stuff. Let's get rid of all this. Yeah, I'll put that in there. Okay. All right. Docker compose. Oops. Docker compose. Oh, what is the? Whoops! Did I type the? What is the? Do 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 do. I don't need the Ruby. No, I don't want to take a screenshot. Quit it. Okay, let's try that again. All right, there we go. That's kind of annoying. That's just like freaking out like that. That's when I say we'll use an Alpine images. They're so fast. So maybe I'll try this. Executable file not found. Oh, because it's trying to run this command. Let's just comment this out for now. Oh, sure. Let's do bundle. Wait, how do I, Jekyll, do I need to install? Oh, where's my Jekyll? Okay, so sure, step by step. Oh, okay. Add Jekyll as a dependency. Okay, but if I go not here, if I go set up with Jekyll, create the repository. How big is it? Should we make this? That's pretty big. Hopefully that's big enough. Mm-hmm. Oh, right. Okay. I do have to install Jekyll, however it asks me to do here. Oh, okay. So if we go to gem file, we have, oh, it should include Jekyll. Okay. So if we bundle install, maybe that'll get us Jekyll. Oh, no, don't. Let's do this. Get rid of this. Okay, now we should have Jekyll. Okay, right on. And then if we go Jekyll, if I run this command, do I? Okay, so build. Oh, okay, I need to do this. Jekyll build. Oh. Command not found. But that's what I want to do. Oh, all right, I gotta do bundle exec. Okay. Bundle exec. Jekyll. Oh, okay. So if we did bundle exec, Jekyll serve, watch, force, polling, host 0.0.0.0, live, reload. All right, so that looks like it's working, but there's no ports open, so it's not going to work. So what I would need to do is, excuse me, okay, maybe I will create a volume for those gems. So user local bundle, and then I go down here. How does the how does this work again? Setting up volumes, Docker compose. Okay. Oh, right. I have to put the name. So if I call it bundle, okay. Then I go like this. Like that, I think. Bundle, bundle. We have the app. So that's all good. And then what I can do is I can create a file. Docker entry point sh. Right. Is that what I need for bash? And then like that. And then I forget how this command works. How do I check if bundle install has been run in a bash file? That was a bundle check, so let's go bundle check. Okay. So if not, yeah. Okay, and then let's run the command. And the command could just be this. I think this needs to be bundle exec. So now if I go clear. Let's get rid of everything. And let's go Docker compose. Up. Oh, but I need to I need the entry point in here. How do I is it like this? Yeah. Okay. Docker compose up. See if that works. So it should run all the bundles, but once they're installed in that volume, we shouldn't have to run them again. Hey, okay, that looks really good. Now let's see if this all works. So let's oh, I really need to. Okay, so let's go here and then what did I set the is it 4,000? Let's see. Hey, that looks good. All right. Well, that's almost an hour. Do I end the video here? That's ended on a success. All right, so we got that running locally. Okay, so I can commit that, and then I guess we could. Do I end it now, or do I try to make it longer? So, okay, well, that was pretty good. Right. Anything else I want to clean up in here? I haven't created one of these in a while, so that all looks okay. Yeah, Docker ignore. What is our? Oh, our git. Do I have a git? Oh, there it is. The git ignore. Yeah. So okay, well that's pretty good. Let's well, it says to ignore the Docker, the gem file. So that's probably what we should do. Let's do that now. Which kind of sucks, but I guess it makes sense because where are we here? Right, and it says yeah, open. Okay, so let's ignore that. Where do I put that? Ignore gem log for GitHub Pages. Okay. So, oh yeah, the live reload's going. I guess we could just kill this. Okay. Oh, I'm in the wrong ignore file. Let's get out of here. Let's go to there's where I want to go. Okay. Wait, do I have autosave on? Okay, good. Why are you? Oh, I need to like delete this thing or something first. Okay, so let's do that. I think we can, because it added it last time. So let's just delete it. Okay, so I think that's what we need to do. Let's add this in the next command. I can never remember how that works. Okay, added docker config to run locally. Okay, so boom. And then ignore gem file lock. Yep. Oh, let's forget to do that. Okay, so that looks a lot better. Okay, so I don't know, let's push these two changes. You don't need to show me again. Oh, it's such a weird name. And then let's see. Oh, I have to connect to GitHub. Okay. Sign in. Sorry, you gotta give me a minute here. Yes, there we go. All right. Authentication succeeded. Great. Yes, that'd be great. Thank you for checking. Okay, so we can get out of here. So we can leave open. Let's go back to here and let's go to our pull requests. Copilot requested your review. Oh, put it. Okay, put it as work in progress. Okay, that's kind of cool. So let's. I can't remember what I think I have to do that. Let's do this first, maybe. So if I go look at pages. Oh, right. I have to make this public first of all. So general. Change visibility. Change to public. Okay, so now it's public. Best for using frameworks and customizing packages at Jekyll site with GitHub Pages. So I don't have a custom domain yet, but that's something we'll work on. Stat deploy. Okay, let's try this GitHub. Sets permissions of the GitHub token. Sure. Okay, it's got a Jekyll build. And then it will try to deploy it. Sure. Runs on pushes targeting the default branch main. So, okay, basically every time I push to main, I can do that. Steps deployment output page URL. I don't know. Okay. Let's workflow. Okay, so put in a workflow. It's going to put it right into main. Yeah, sure. What the heck? Add GitHub or add Jekyll GitHub action. Sure. Let's do it as a proper pull request, I guess. Sure. Let's assign myself. Oh yeah, label that. Because this is a new one. There's that whole labels and then like that whole other. Anyway, it got real confusing. Like I wasn't sure what there was between a label and like category or something. Okay, but for now, we can come back and label these later. Sure, let's put it in there. Make me look productive. Don't really have a milestone or anything, so let's create this pull request. I don't know. Let's see what GitHub Copilot says. Okay. Didn't find any issues. Okay, so let's merge this one. Sure. All right. Done. Some of the commit messages are now merge pull request 2. Kind of a janky message. What's it going to say for this? Oh, it just says, okay. I don't know. Let's leave it as a default one, I guess. Okay, so let's get this in there. Hooray! Sure, we don't need that branch. Now, do we have, let's open up the Actions tab here. Oh, it did kick off a bit. I don't know what the heck it's going to do. Interesting. So, build with Jekyll. Okay, deploying. Well, deployed it. So how can I see this site now? Let's see. Oops. So if I go here and then I look Oh yeah, I should protect that main branch. Pages. Oh, okay. So it should be this, I think. Hey, there we go. That's pretty cool. Improve this page. Oh, okay. I don't know if I want that. Um, okay, so that's pretty cool. So I should be able to wait. How did it show? Oh, but I didn't have the whole all the Jekyll thing. Oh, this is where I put the screenshot. Oh, interesting. Wait, but what's in main? Okay, let's clean some of this up. I'm getting a little confused here. So, um, go look here. Oh, how did the heck did it? Well, I haven't added this. Oh, what does this do? I don't know. Um, oh, maybe that's like the default one. Okay, let's do a quick change because um, I am curious. So if I look at what's the README? This is Ceremony Productions website. Oh, did that index make it into the initial commit? Oh, maybe that's where that came from. Okay, so if I go look here. Oh no, there's no index. Oh, okay. This is different. Like that was just going to say this is a minimum one. Oh, okay. This must be like the default one if they find nothing. Oh, okay. That really confused me there for a minute. I was wondering where it was getting the information from. So, okay. So let's go here. Let's do this. Uh, no, we don't need to review. Looks good to me. Let's try merging this. Also includes Docker files for running the site locally. Okay. Now that should kick off another one. Okay, let's see. And deploy. Oh yeah, okay. So that's different now. Right now that matches our that. Where do we get that at? That must be in the layout or something, right? If I go look in the layouts. Yeah, copyright. Okay. Hey, cool. All right, so we got that up and running. Well, I think this is a great place to end it. So yeah, so thank you as always for watching. I hope for those of you that waited for all the months for me to post another video, thank you for your patience. Although of course probably nobody did, but I just like to think that makes me feel better. If you like what you saw here, click the like button, subscribe, whatever thing you want, put a nice comment. Oh, I think the email address, I still have to check. I think it's ask at SaturdayMP.com. If you have any questions or feedback about the show, that would be great. You can send it there. And yeah, hopefully I'm back in the routine of doing these once a week. Like I said, I really like doing them and I kind of missed it. So I think part 2, I don't know, maybe I'll record part 2 tomorrow just because I want to finish this site over. So this is part 1, and then part 2 would be actually migrating these pages into there. So we probably would try just for the heck of it too. We'd probably experiment with like getting like one of the agents, Claude Code or something to do to help us export all this stuff over there. So yeah, so thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day and happy coding. Take care.